Okay, so we're on the amenities floor and we're checking it out. You can see the pool out there. We're going to go see that pool for sure. We'll do a separate video on that. By the way, we're at the Cortland Museum District. It's a real pretty building and you're going to love this building. So isn't this a pretty area? You can hear some really classy music going on here. So fireplace. I mean, this would be just a nice place to just relax, maybe with that special someone, or just have an event here too. You can watch games, you can watch movies. So if you've got a really classy floor here, you also have some spots here. You can co-work and just work during the day. I'm just gonna walk in here just to kind of see this real quick, and you got a nice kind of kitchen area, so you can have events here with a fridge. So that's really nice. Isn't that a cool wall? That's really awesome. So it's just a really peaceful, nice place to do that. And then you've got some more amenities. Wow, it's just a really big floor. So I've got a lot of beautiful stuff in here. Just more spaces that you can kind of stretch out, work during the day if you want. There's some games, games here and things like that. There's poker chips too there. How cool is that? So it's a really pretty seventh floor. Now let's explore that pool, and then we'll see the fitness center as well.